Packing is one of the most time-consuming and stressful parts of any move. From fragile items to large furniture, everything needs proper protection to avoid damage. In a city like Chicago, where moves often involve tight spaces, elevators, and busy streets, professional packing services can make a huge difference. Professional packers in Chicago use high-quality materials and proven techniques to protect your belongings. Each item is carefully wrapped, boxed, and labeled to ensure safe transport and easy unpacking at your new location. Packing services in Chicago include full home packing, partial packing, and fragile-only packing for delicate items like glassware, artwork, and electronics. Movers also provide furniture wrapping, organized labeling, and unpacking services to simplify your move from start to finish. Chicago moves come with unique challenges: high-rise buildings, narrow staircases, busy neighborhoods, and strict building regulations. Professional packers with local experience know how to prepare items properly for these conditions, helping avoid damage and delays. Choosing experienced and licensed packers in Chicago ensures your move is safe, organized, and stress-free. Better Life Moving provides reliable packing services with transparent pricing, flexible scheduling, and attention to detail, so you can focus on your move, not the packing.